Hi everyone, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today we're going to be going over all things EDNC. What exactly is EDNC? Well, EDNC stands for Enterprise Do Not Contact. EDNC is not for everyone. EDNC is a company-specific feature provided to certain companies that require their employees to have their accounts connected. You should only enable this if your business, office, or corporate office has instructed you to become connected to Enterprise DNC, IDNC, or corporate API. EDNC returns the results of your corporate office compliance checks. This checking it performed has many levels, and it is best to check with your leadership or home office. EDNC returns your results of your corporate office compliance check. The checking it performed has many levels, and it is best to check with your leadership or home office for the list of things that is checked your leads' phone numbers against. How to turn on EDNC? Well, if you want to manage your EDNC settings, you have full control. There's no need to reach out to support. You have two different options. You can either click on the icon here next to Refer and Earn, or you can also go to the Settings tab. From here, you can also be able to check and see if your EDNC is enabled or disabled. If you take a look at it, you'll notice that this is a red circle. The red circle means that it's currently offline. So you can always know exactly where you stand with a quick glance. If you check it and the circle is green, that means that it is enabled. Now, let's go ahead and head over to our settings. Now, within the settings, you'll have full control over your EDNC. You have the options to disable it or disable it with a simple click. It's really quick and easy to customize it based off your needs. To customize your message field settings, this is where it gets even better. You can choose how Textdrip handles your messages to EDNC marked contacts. This is what to do. This is your control center for all things EDNC. You can choose how your message failures are also handled. Message only single fail messages. This will stop the one message to EDNC contacts, but lets the rest of your drip messages continue as planned. Great if you want to avoid disruptions. Fail all message contacts. Want to make sure no other messages go out to that contact? This option stops the entire drip sequence from going out to them, giving you the peace of mind and full compliance with your home office. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. For more information about the EDNC, you can always book a demo, use the help tabs, or you can simply go to textdrip.com. Remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.